This is 7 National News. In our top story this evening, UAE Vice President, Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, chaired the UAE Cabinet meeting at the Presidential Palace in Abu Dhabi on Tuesday. The UAE Cabinet welcomed the outcomes of the 14th Consultative Summit in Riyadh, which emphasised the importance of boosting joint GCC cooperation. During the meeting, Sheikh Mohammed highlighted the substantial development the UAE has attained and praised the active role the UAE plays on the regional and international arena. The Cabinet also endorsed UAE's membership in the Gas Exporting Countries Forum, an intergovernmental organisation of 12 of the world's leading natural gas producers. The Cabinet also endorsed UAE's membership in the Arab Union of Land Transport, in addition to a bilateral air transport and services agreement between the UAE and Lithuania. At a ceremony earlier today, 27 hospitals, healthcare centres and laboratories were honoured and appreciated for achieving international accreditation, which includes the Joint Commission International, Canadian Accreditation and the Australian Council on Healthcare Standards. Given the support and encouragement by the Dubai government, led by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, UAE Vice President and Prime Minister and ruler of Dubai, 71% of the 22 hospitals in the public and private sectors across the Emirate are now already accredited internationally. 29% of these facilities are currently in the process of achieving it. His Highness Sheikh Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Crown Prince of Dubai and Chairman of the Dubai Executive Council, graced the event and felicitated the various entities that have compiled and continue to contribute to Dubai's growing healthcare sector.
I feel very happy and I am very proud that we have achieved JCI, and we will always go for better treatment for the patient. And I think it helps in the safety and to achieve good diagnosis and good treatment for the patient. I think it's important. It's important to do the best in the medical practice.
I think the healthcare market in the UAE is very important, especially for the growth that we're seeing in the country. We accredited ourselves in 2009. So this today is actually just a recognition from the Dubai Health Authority towards recognizing healthcare facilities such as ourselves at NMC, towards developing a quality healthcare environment, which is, I guess, the most important thing for the patients that live in the community.
According to the Dubai Health Authority, all operational healthcare facilities are required to apply for international accreditation within 2 years after its opening. By the end of 2012, all hospitals are expected to have begun the process of being internationally accredited.
One important initiative is the WHO and Joint Commission International Initiative by going through the international patient safety goals. And these goals ask for certain basic things to ensure that care is provided in a safe manner. So we see accreditation is really very good motivator for all healthcare organizations to go for better performance and to grow in their business and to attract more visitors to Dubai in the future. We actually at Dubai Health Authority, we encourage all organizations, including public and private hospitals and other healthcare organizations, to go for international accreditation, because we strongly believe, and we have that in reality and practice, that accreditation will improve the outcome of care. And that will attract patients to Dubai Emirates, and Dubai is very attractive place to all people in the region and from international entity. And we have so many initiatives to promote the medical tourism in the city. So we always consider that we provide the care at very comparable level of performance.
In an effort to safeguard the community, Sharjah recently launched its annual safety awareness campaign. This year, various government departments joined in the 3-day event organised by the Sharjah Health District to spread awareness in the community. According to officials, water and electricity saving measures, as well as food safety tips, are critical to everyone's safety during this hot summer season.
We in our department also, health education, will give about the diarrhea, about the hydration, about the food poisoning for the people. So because these problems increase and in this season.
The Sharjah Police and Civil Defence are among the entities participating. According to the Drugs Enforcement Department, this is a great opportunity to educate the public, particularly families and parents, about illegal substances and drug paraphernalia. Officials say through this, they will enable residents to prevent family members from engaging in harmful drugs, as well as learn to identify symptoms of addiction for timely intervention. Meanwhile, the Civil Defence is raising awareness on measures the public can undertake to prevent fires and other incidents that could endanger lives and property.
When it comes to summer, most of the people, they will stay indoors. Most of them, they will just go outside and when there is a need to go, like shopping or doing something else. So maintenance when it comes to their AC units, or when it comes to electricity, and also maintenance for their electrical utensils, it's very important because it will run over their limit. So we are trying to negotiate this culture of maintenance, knowing what you have of dangers inside your house, and trying to also to prevent accidents from happening during this time.
For those who are at the office for most of the day, it may be interesting to know that office equipment in the 21st century could go far beyond the standard table, chair and computer, according to interior designers at this year's office exhibition. Showcasing the latest products and solutions, the exhibition is providing a layout of structured and simplistic workstations, incorporating ergonomics as the main attraction. Industry professionals across the supplier, design and architecture sectors express that through minor adjustments within the workplace, such as footrests, adjustable chairs with supportive backs and easily accessible plug-in points, overall performance and productivity could be enhanced drastically.
Well, an uncluttered workspace is an uncluttered mind, I say. Yeah. I think that efficiency in the workspace is very important. Today, people, of course, are running around with lots of opportunities in their hands, but not knowing how best to organize their time. So the workspace, of course, needs to be organized, which means looking for proper solutions that meet people's requirements in their business. Yeah. So when we talk to customers, we don't talk about products. Of course, that's always the key issue. We try to understand, of course, with DFB what their storage requirements are and how our products can fit into their business.
You've probably seen a lot of chairs today. The biggest difference that we have is the human scale chairs is designed for ease of use. So normally you see a lot of knobs, controls. So the reality is around 98% of people in the office don't actually adjust the chair. So what ends up happening is that you actually have an expensive chair, but you don't know if it's properly adjusted for you. So you end up hurting yourself instead of it helping you. So what Human Scale did and what we're presenting in this stand is the evolution or the next stage of the kinds of chairs available in the market. Instead of investing in chrome polish materials, invest on quality stuff that will last for a long time, environmentally conscious, and automatically adjust for your body weight.
According to Cheryl Durst, Executive Vice President and CEO of the International Interior Design Association, suppliers and manufacturers are now taking into consideration comfort and individual needs in addition to functionality.
Very clean, very simple, very sleek. Obviously, sustainability is a concern. So people are concerned not with just how things look, but how they're made and how they can be disposed of. But from a look and feel standpoint, there's a very European feel in a lot of the furniture that's being seen. So you see those sleek, simple, clean lines. From a tabling standpoint, tables are very thin. Chairs are still very comfortable, but they're manufactured differently, so they're a lot healthier for people to sit in as well. There's so many changes in the workplace, and designers are addressing the many changes in the workplace from different generations to cultural diversity, and not everybody likes the same thing. But employers do want their employees to be comfortable.
Dubai Customs is cracking down on the illegal shipment of exotic animals into the Emirate through an awareness campaign. The drive was launched on Tuesday through a new exhibition at Mirdif City Centre, showcasing a range of stuffed exotic animals that have been previously brought into the UAE illegally. The industry is said to be worth billions of dollars per year, and Dubai Customs stopped around 120 animals and plants from coming into Dubai last year. According to a local paper, Dubai Customs officials said that some of the 120 animals include included falcons, turtles and skins of animals, as well as blocked shipments of oud. He said that only those who possess permits or certificates for research are allowed to bring endangered animals into the country. Finally this evening, for those who love their art but don't appreciate the price tags associated with purchasing artworks, the Young Collectors Auction may be for you. It was a full house at the Iyama Art Centre as emerging and established collectors had an opportunity last night to bid on artworks from Arab, Iranian and Turkish artists at prices ranging from $1,000 to $10,000. In its 13th edition, this fun and relaxed auction featured paintings, sculpture, photography, silkscreen and installation works. The majority of estimates were well under $10,000, with most of the lots on offer hovering between the $2,000 to $5,000 mark.
We're trying to provide that entry-level gateway and help encourage a new level of, new generation of collectors to come in a really fun, not intimidating way to kind of start their collection. We always find the hardest thing to do, and it's kind of intimidating sometimes to kind of buy your first piece. So we wanted to give people an opportunity to come and get that first piece, at affordable prices and have some fun when they do it.
I'm bidding on the Arabi piece today. I like his collection, his new collection a lot. It has to do a lot with the Arab Spring. But also he's an up-and-coming artist, part of the IAM young artists who I think will develop as they go on. I think it's very important to be able to access young artists when they're starting up. This is a great venue for such an event. It's affordable. You can feel the art, taste the art, and be able to participate. So you don't have to always go for something way above your budget.
Up next, we have your day's business news, so stay with us.